If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. So in this video, I am going to be making my new chopsticks that I'm going to sell soon. I will give you guys an exact date, but I'm not sure when. I'm so excited. I'm going to be showing you guys the process. I actually never made chopsticks before, so I'm really excited to see how I make it. I'm going to bring you guys along with me to the process. So also, if you want to support a fellow teen entrepreneur, don't forget to check out our site. We have new arrivals. Our Valentine's Day products just dropped. If you want to go try some, don't forget to check out our site. Use code FRUITY for money off if you're a newcomer. So first things first, we're heading to the kitchen with my big beeswax. I'm just going to wipe off my counter. You're going to need a tall pot, and then you're gonna need a smaller pot, so just put it in there so your coconut oil and beeswax can heat up. You can also use a heat burner. I'm not sure what it's called, but they also use this when heating up things. I don't recommend heating this up in the microwave, and I also recommend getting your own separate bowl just for chopsticks. I'm just going to first take out my bowl and put coconut oil in there. I'm going to mix in my color, and then I'm going to put it on the burner. I also made 2 chopsticks. I'm just showing you guys the process of how I make my coconut ones, but I did around the exact same thing for my other chopsticks. While I was mixing, I went ahead and boiled some water, and then I'm just going to pour that into my pot, and then I'm going to add my coconut oil that I mixed with my color and put it on top. Also, don't be like me and get something bigger so it won't be moving around. I just had this one, so I just decided to use it. And then you're going to add your beeswax in. One thing I would say is to measure, because you don't want to add too much beeswax that it overpowers the oil and you just get waxy chopsticks. That's why I had to make it over. I definitely did not know that the amount of beeswax matters. So I'll definitely say to put more oil than beeswax for a more oily chopstick or a smoother application. So then you're just going to wait for it to melt. It shouldn't take long. Is it just me, or I think chopsticks look so pretty when it's in liquid form? Then I'm just going to quickly take it off the stove. This process has to be fast because we don't want our chopsticks to solidify on us before we pour it into the chopsticks. So I'm just going to use a syringe and pour the chopstick liquid into each one of the tubes. Also, don't forget to add in your scent when you're done melting it. I totally forgot. I don't know why. So this is my finished product. I'm just going to let them dry. My hands are red because of the pigment I used to make the pumpkin ones. But this is my coconut one here. It is fully dried already. And then this is the pumpkin pie one that I made, still drying. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. I actually will make another video with me actually putting on the labels. So stay tuned for my next video where I show you guys me putting on the labels and how I make my chapstick labels. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you can see more videos from me. And I'll see you guys in the next video.